paidbah lah start bon kita balak kali kumlu pen stang ya kene ba thapa tang ya reservation policy but me kai.
It is a moral responsibility for everyone to protect Lumpong Deng.
The VPP collect politics.
Kublai puni pibaro and welcome you back to Word with Nel. Temtas ni cepat ikan video kendat dengan sashu ngin keren hajar dengan video te ikan video kadang ka response na i presiden ka VPP tinya pa dia video kom cuma.
Ni akan ni dengan ong syukum no namar ba pilatip hi what for every agenda kila kin don ba hi ki ban sim kabu politically and especially but agenda te pilatip hi namar ka election MP ka lajan.
Ngati bi keret pang kata ka Lumpong Deng itrai so antar ma kan katu ke por kadang long clip ha kan ka video ka dei ba ladap ai ka tu ka chithi ka GTF ba kin sange no ya ka ayo ba kin weng no ya ka tu ka project na po ka Lumpong Deng ka video ka dia hang tu ka sengi tenya pa biang.
Definitely it's a good way for them to start tamba ngas
jika jong itu ka site kana ba ikran ka VPP hang ne tingaru hot to nga nakaliang paidbah tingaru ngon ong ba ngamtip mo kadena kam dito ka political agenda munta balay ba paidbah ki yesha ka VPP balay ngaru ngong ba ka VPP kalong kasngap ka jengker paidbah namar ba hakapor baka GTF kawan shot ka shot kan hadu kat arsengi ka party ayu ka bawan mi napo ka government kanong ki minister bawan mi kata ka jengkili kalong tesa joba pisay nga mono ki minister bawan mi but na ka VPP pat kawan man karsyan ya ka GTF kawan mak karsyan ya ka GTF ka sutho ya ka mat ka ba ki paidbah ki kren ka sutho ya ka mat ka ba ka GTF ka kren. That's what. So I don't know what political agenda you're talking about, but then yeah, maybe if there is a political agenda, your response is political agenda too at the same time.
Komen pad banyo iba paidbah ulah start bun ba paidbah ulah start bun ki balak kali kumlu pen stang ya kene ba thapa tang ya reservation policy but me kai.
Mano bakali kata? Mano ngaro ko ito ka video mo no nakipaidbah bakali kata ba kumdo pen stang ya kene ka political agenda la ka reservation policy kampadap. Tadi pikan mau yaki mat jongka reservation policy ru mono ba raise concern kata dan napo ni wiki party ki ba raise concern pang ka reservation policy dan that's the question. So juba ipisa sa soto ipisa kom da pidi ban pet ngan manta pen pet ka juba pro naka VPP ru kala response kane an ka response ka day menin ha kapor pakidon ya kane ka paidbah ka meeting people's meeting baki ang mo ka meeting jo ki paidbah
Yekitay ki minister ki deputy chief minister ki jong secretary.
The Voice of the People Party on Wednesday launched a sharp attack on critics, with party president Adam Miller Basaimot accusing sections of the political establishment of reducing governance to mere election-centric politics, while defending his party involvement in the Lumpong Deng agitation as a moral responsibility. That's very right. It is a moral responsibility for everyone to protect Lumpong Deng. Not just one person, not just two person, because kajing raise concern hi ka GTF ato kapor ko ang bakane ka chaka kalong sensitive kalaban kata ya ka ecosystem hangtu hakachaka. So I think people should understand that. Kibriyo ki badon ni kajabing ki basutho ba kamay mariang kadon kamingi kadon kalong kabakong sanyangi kat no banya ka development em ki sutho ya kata. Ngamong bad non kam development is important, but mother nature it's much more important. Kamay mariang ka kamlong kong san halor ki iki barakhat.
Ngakwan nang yaki ngam tip ki sutho na yang kamot ayu politics. Hanaba the VPP collect politics. Kani meeting nimpat ong yang kani ka rally yang kani datang ke public meeting ni sang ban like pen photo bakla onda
Addressing a well-attended public meeting and Modopran convened to mobilize support for the party's 8-point charter of demands against the NPP-led MDA 2.0 government. Basaimot expressed dismay at remarks attributed to Deputy Chief Minister Sungob Halang Dhar, stating that such view reflect to a narrow understanding. no understanding of politics.
The voice of the
Kajing response jo adan jong ardan kadai bau deputy CM usung palang daharo ong ba ki duna kajing sungtho ya ka politics.
People Party kan nom ni rally haki por di baruan upaya de kilakon mi hagani ka rally rally ka bisisha iki tayo ki pulong ya ka tengah buat pakanan rally ki policy rally ki program di prepare rally kita ki factors ki influence rally di pulong ya ka sarkar pakan sim ya ini rally kumangi kata ka di ka politics ka mangi ki nangalam jong the voice of the people party ni
Exactly. Wait munta ngam day bangay siya party. Ngam day bangay siya party ne nga ya siya ka VPP ne nga siya ka MPP ne nga may siya ni nuro nga siya ka jing siya. The truth kajing siya jong kani ka politics. Long kumno ro ka VPP kasngap ka jing kanji paidbah. Kasngap ka jing kanji paidbah. Kasngot ho ya kamar ka baki paidbah ki kren. Kikeren pangka unemployment, kikeren pangka jing paidbah, kikeren pangka environment ro. Hoy, unemployment don't come development. It doesn't mean development kan wan hakijaka kabalong sensitive. It doesn't mean development kan shuwan no hakijaka ba. Oh, hangde long ban shna, ya shna laga shna hangne Kidi ban page accordingly kan long num long bande. That's the thing. So lada ka VPP, lada ka party VPP hi ka perkhat kumta. So mud ki paidbah kin sngap hangta Katu kasyatkan kat arsngi kasyatkan ka GTF menabawan kersyat ka VPP. So now nakaliang ka jungi tingin ong nakaliang kipaidbah kinum ong ba kini political na they are looking for the public. Kipait ya kipaidbah, kipait ya ka jungi kipaidbah. So those are the things. So now blaming it to be looking for political agenda might be one thing. Even your statement, mata ka statement jong ini ki minister ki jong iro kadi ka political agenda ka jong kita. That's what. So the truth is we need to look ngidi ben pet ya kajing shisha. We need to look for the truth. Siya kajing shisha ka poy. Mentala siya singi ka lada ka VPP kayo bat ka bor means ya ka government ro. Ada ka party ka le persya ya ka jingko akipad ba na ya ka shule trumur ka shule klumar ba ngin lishim ya ka ngin le ka ne claim bu consent akipad ba. Claim ai kata ka mat akipad ba ngin le kumne nam ta ka jing ha jong pi kumne mtai de ki wan clarification paidbah kidi ban le persya ba. Umde ban ong ba kalau ada ka VPP ngin choose ngam no Yung sudah ban kabrep no ay no ka party bakin rule ka government ka bikin ngidey ban raise ki concern na mala chance kinda kadon ka pa ka VPP ha ka borro ngidey ban raise ki concern ki jong ilada ka party ka VPP ka le persya ya ka bor ki paidbah kata ka de ka jing siya. We need to raise our voice lada de ka VPP NPP whoever it is, it doesn't matter. Ngidey ban ra ya ka bor ka jong ngidey ban pen ka bor ka jong ina marba ya ka ne ka shuki ka jong ki lat how de mana mangi ki paidbah. Remember that the whole democracy itself is run by the public. Mangi ki brio. So that's the thing. We understand that it's well and good. Okay? So I don't have much to say, guys. That's it. That's the only thing I want to show to you guys. Ngakampi tangkani ikhndian. Te yai support on shakmat like ka video, share ka video. Palada pikwa bang review kono ka video ro pilaban sharing ana po ka Instagram junga na po Instagram junga most of it. Pilaban sharing I will do my review on accordingly. So I don't have much to say, guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time.